सत्यमेव जयते, वंदे मातरम। 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे के अवसर पे आप सब लोग को गवर्नमेंट टॉक की तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज भारत 75वीं इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना रहा है। इस अवसर पे प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने 1.5 घंटे के स्पीच में सोशल इकोनॉमिक वेलफेयर स्कीम, आत्मनिर्भर भारत और बहुत सी बातों को जो उन्होंने पास्ट में शुरुआत किया है उसके बारे में कहा। इसके साथ ही आने वाले 25 सालों में भारत का क्या विजन होगा इस पर प्रकाश डाला। आइए हम लोग देखते हैं 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे के अवसर पर प्रधानमंत्री ने 6 मेजर अनाउंसमेंट किए हैं। उस अनाउंसमेंट में पहला ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप, दूसरा नेशनल हाइड्रोजन मिशन जो ग्रीन विजन है उनका, और गति शक्ति नेशनल मास्टर प्लान एंड 75 वंदे भारत ट्रेन, फोर्टिफाइड राइस एंड सैनिक स्कूल फॉर द गर्ल्स। तो आइए देखते हैं वन बाय वन उन्होंने क्या अनाउंसमेंट किया है, मेजर अनाउंसमेंट। सबसे पहला ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप की बात करेंगे हम लोग। तो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि एक ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलप किया जाए जिसके अंदर उन्होंने कहा कि 8 करोड़ का वुमेन इन द विलेज जो है आर एसोसिएटेड विद द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स and they design top end products. So now the government will create an e-commerce platform to ensure huge market in the country and abroad for their products. He said, adding that when the country is moving forward, but the mantra being vocal for local, the digital platform will connect the products of the women self-help groups, will people in far-flung area of the country as well as the abroad, and it will have far-reaching consequences. दूसरा उन्होंने नेशनल हाइड्रोजन मिशन की बात कही जिसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने अनाउंस किया कि सेटिंग अप द नेशनल हाइड्रोजन मिशन। ही सेड ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। वी हैव टू मेक इंडिया ए ग्लोबल हब फॉर green hydrogen production and export in the Amrit Kal. This will not only help India to make a new progress in the field of the energy self-reliance, but will also become a new inspiration for clean energy transition all over the world. Gati Shakti, that is a national master plan. Pradhanmantri said that along with the modern infrastructure, there is a need for adopting a holistic and integrated approach in infrastructure construction. We are going to launch national master plan of the Prime Minister Gati Shakti, which will be a huge scheme and fulfill dreams of the crores of the countrymen. This scheme of the more than 100 lakhs crores rupees will result in new employment opportunity for the lakhs of youth. The Gati Shakti will be national infrastructure master plan, lays down foundation of the holistic infrastructure and will lead to integrated and holistic pathway to our economy. Right now, there is no coordination between our means of transport. Gati Shakti will break the silos and will remove all obstacles. This will reduce travel time for the common man and productivity of our industry will also increase. And 75 Vande Bharat trains. The country has resolved to celebrate Amrit Mahotsav of Independence. You would know that we have decided to celebrate the Amrit Mahotsav of the Independence for 75 weeks. It has started from 12th March and will continue till 15th August 2023. We have to move forward with new enthusiasm, and therefore country has made a very important decision. During these 75 weeks of the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, 75 Vande Bharat trains will connect every corner of the country. The pace at which new airports are being built in the country and the Udan, पूरे देश का आम नागरिक स्कीम connecting remote area is unprecedented. We can see how better air connectivity gives new flights to people's dreams. And fortified rice. Modi said government priority was to provide nutrition to every poor person of the country. He said malnutrition and lack of the essential nutrients in the poor women and poor children possesses major obstacles in their development. In view of this, it has decided that the government will fortify rice given to the poor under its various schemes, will give rice fortified with nutrition to the poor. Be it the rice available at the ration shop, rice provided to the children in the midday meal, or rice available through every scheme, it shall be fortified by the year 2024. And another announcement, Sainik School for the girls. Prime Minister said, Sainik School for girls. He said, used to get lakhs of the messages from girls that they wanted to study in the Sainik School. The doors of the school should be open for them. We did a pilot project in the Sainik School of the Mizoram 2.5 years ago by giving admission to our daughters. Now the government has decided that all the Sainik school will be open for the girls. Daughter too will study in the all Sainik school of the country. These are the 6 major amendments covered in the announcement of the 75 Independence Day today. So thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind.